So I'm standing in front of this giant molecule statue that stands itself from the first floor all the way to the fourth floor, which is the top of the building. And once you are here, you have officially entered building two. This is an elevator that will take you from the first floor all the way to the fifth floor. And these are the classrooms. So as you can see, this is building two, room 131. Okay, so let's just walk down the hallway and get a feel for what the building and the hallway looks like. It's very quiet. It's currently 10 p.m. on a Wednesday, so not a lot of people are here. So during COVID time, students are allowed to work in these rooms, provided that there's no more than 10 people in each of the space. Okay, so if we keep on walking towards the end, we are reaching Memorial Drive. So let's see if you can see that. I mean, there's a pretty strong reflection, but basically on the other side is Boston. We're on the Cambridge side, and this street is known as the Memorial Drive. Okay, and if we keep walking down this way, you know, there are most of them are offices. There's a classroom on the other end. And there's some co-working spaces that you can rent and utilize during normal times, just not right now. But let me take you to the second floor. So throughout this tour, we'll go through each floor just to give you a sense of what the layout looks like. So let's go to the second floor. If at any point this is getting boring for you, feel free to fast forward. Okay, so we are on the second floor, and so these are the offices of the professors. You may recognize some of the names. I think all of them are pure mathematicians. So if you're pure, chances are that you recognize them. So this is known as the Norbert Wiener Common Room. I haven't been here since March of 2020, so it's been a year. During normal times, you'd be able to hang around in this common room. And again, the glare is a little strong, so not sure if you can see. Let's see if you can. Yeah, but during normal times, you can hang around in this space. There is coffee and cookie every day from Monday through Friday at 3:30, where a lot of people congregate. Guess what? Where there's free food, there is graduate students. But and there are also blackboards inside on which you can discuss mathematics, or rather anything else. But so this is the second floor. Okay, so let's go through. Let's go through the hallway to get to the third floor. And again, if this recording is getting boring, feel free to fast forward. During normal times, there will be seminars posted here. These days, it's all emails. Okay, so we're going to the third floor. Personally, once everything goes back to normal, I would really recommend that you come to office more often, because chances are that you run into someone and discuss mathematics together. Next thing you know, there's a spark of idea and you have a paper out. Honestly, I get half of my work done by talking to people in the coffee room. And I'd recommend that you do the same. So these are the suites of graduate students. Let's see. I think some of them are even here. I don't know who, so I'd be cautious not to interrupt them. I'm gonna leave them be. So this is, I'll give a shout out to this guy. This is my advisor, Ruben Rosales. He is a really nice guy. If you ever get a chance to meet him or work with him, you should take up that opportunity. These are, again, offices of graduate students. And we share building 2 with some of the chemistry labs. So for example, this is the lab of Professor Mirsha Dinka from Department of Chemistry. So we are, again, remember this giant molecule? This is where we are. And we are getting to the 4th floor. Okay, so if you had taken the elevator, you would have ended up here. This is a very cozy conference room that in normal times you can rent and have conference meetings in here. This is a coffee room. So let me show you. This is where I get coffees in the morning. And you also get all sorts of supplies here. So, you know, chalks, chalks, pens, you know, various supplies. And yeah, this thing is out of order. You can also get water from here. And if you bring lunch, you can also put food in here. And there's a photocopier. The building 2 is also named as is also called Simons Building, named after our generous donor Jim Simons. Hence, there's the Simon Lecture. So again, these are the offices of professors. And this is a common area. Turn on the light. This is a common area of building 2. Right now it's closed because of COVID, but during normal times there'll be chairs and you'll be able to, you know, discuss mathematics with your colleagues. So these are all blackboards. This is again a very nice conference room. And people host a thesis defense or seminars in here all the time. And again, we've reached the end where this is you know, on the other side it's Boston and there's Memorial Drive. This would be open. So this is a really nice balcony area. It would be open during daytime, Monday through Friday, but it's at night, so I don't have access to it. In retrospect, I should have probably shot this video during the work hours so that I can show you the outside, but another time. So we are approaching the first year office where you'll be sitting in. So normally first year students are all of the first year students are assigned to the same office, which is this amazing office, a shared office in on the 4th floor. But I guess I'm an exception because I really enjoy staying in the area. So I requested, and due to space allocation, I am here. So this is the first year office. When you come here, you can sit at any open desk. So these have been all occupied by students. I'll show you my. So yeah, I can show you now. This is my area. Okay, as you can see, I spent a very long time here. You know, I even have my own coffee pot and stuff like that. So yeah. And let me take you upstairs. So if you come upstairs, and again, all of these spaces are up for you to grab. Yeah, these are all occupied by people. You can get a view from here, and that's my desk.